Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. I'm here today with the VacBoss 6068D. It has a Caterpillar 150 horse engine and a full day's worth of fuel. Features a Roots 616 blower. The blower does 2250 CFM, and the machine also has a 2.7 CFR airlock. The VacBoss features a microtube filtration system. The microtube filtration system filters the air that goes into the blower, and that keeps the blower alive and healthy for a long time. The blower does have a 5-year warranty. This is the vacuum pressure differential gauges that help you control the machine so you know what it's doing, and it also helps you to understand how filled the bags are and when it's time to clean the bags. This is the truck loading kit. It uses an 8-inch discharge. The 8-inch discharge reduces the pressure, the back pressure of the whole system, and increases the capacity. This machine does have a 6,000 bushel per hour capacity. That is large. On 155 horse, 6,000 bushels an hour is a lot of capacity. Okay, this machine also has a nice pipe rack on the side for pipe storage. Right now we have about 75 feet of pipe on the machine, and very handy to be able to snap it on and store your pipe right on the machine.